Welcome to the great race, AC versus DC Showdown. Today we're going to witness an electrifying competition. Here are our contestants. Excuse me, not that kind of AC/DC. This kind of AC/DC. On track 1, we have AC, or as their friends know them, as alternating current. So far, he has won most of the long distance runs. On track 2, we have DC, AC's biggest rival. Some call him Direct Current. What weird nicknames, am I right, folks? So far, he has been the one to win most of the 100-meter races. And they're off! DC is taking the lead, but will he be able to keep this up? What's this? DC has fallen. And AC takes the lead. By gods! This is something new. AC has started running backwards. So, a little explanation for you folks at home. AC, or is known as alternating current, tends to move like a sine wave. In this video, we can see where I paused it, AC starts running backwards. That's because the first wave, it moves forwards, and then it goes back. So it keeps moving backwards and forwards. And then we have DC, direct current, which keeps falling down for whatever reason. So the reason is simple. Right now it's sleeping, lying there. That's because it's run out of energy, because it goes in short bursts like so. It gets energy, stops, then continues later on. That's why it's really good for short races, because of the small distances. Big races like this just keep falling over. Never win. But maybe this time they will. As they approach the finish line, it's clear that both AC and DC have their strengths. But by the looks of this race, AC will have enough. What's this? DC is getting up quickly and is running like a devil right behind AC. What a race, folks! This was an unexpected turn of events, both currents receiving a tie, and both being first place. Both having their advantages and disadvantages. Thank you for joining the great race, AC versus DC Showdown. I was Rainis, your presenter for the evening, and tune in next time for the show What's So Funny? And even more funny electrical comedy stuff. Bye bye now.